2. Students, unit number 12, sound, on page number 56. Sound is a form of energy that can travel from one place to another place. In this figure, you can see that musical instrument is one part of a room and sounds travel all other parts in the room, and every person can hear the music of this guitar. Now question, how do we hear sounds? There are different ways to hear sounds. First, we have to learn about vibrations. Vibrations are steady movements. And what is sound? Sound are the vibrations that travel through the air, even through water, so that by which sound can travel from one place to another place. These are the figures of waves, and sound can travel in the form of waves. So there are two types of traveling waves. Different sounds have different type of waves. This is low pitch and high pitch, and low pitch have waves that are large gap between the waves, but high sound have smaller gaps in between the waves. Now page number 57, learning is fun. Draw sound waves of very low pitch. This is the sound wave of low sound, for high sound, and for the medium sound. Now circle the correct answer. Sound can be seen, heard, or touched. Heard. Sound walk, fly, or travel from one place to another place. Only travel. Low sound have a larger gaps between the waves than high sound. Now students, unit 13, the solar system. Students, solar system is our sun, and all the planets that orbit the sun is just our solar system. So what does solar system made of? Solar system is made up of planets that orbits the sun. Now what are planets? Students, there are 8 planets in our solar system, and all are different from each other. So question, how many planets are there in solar system? 8 planets. And third question, write the names of all the planets present in the solar system. First is Mercury, Uranus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. This is the whole structure of our solar system, sun, and all the planets around it. Now a brief discussion or detailed about the planets. First, Mercury, closest planet and the smallest planet of the solar system. Venus, also second closest planet and closest planet to the Earth. Earth is a planet where we live. Mars, it is very similar to the Earth and having 2 moons. Students, Jupiter is the largest planet of the Earth. So question, which is the biggest planet in the solar system? Jupiter. Saturn, it is surrounded by rings made of ice and rocks. And Uranus is the coldest planet that is present in our solar system. The last one is Neptune, that is discovered by humans, and it is the lastest planet and 4th planet from the sun. All these questions note please on your books and learn them. Now learning is fun, page number 60. I am the only planet in our solar system that has living things on it, Earth. I am the largest planet, Jupiter. I am the planet most similar to Earth, Mars, and closest planet to Sun, Mercury. Next, farthest planet on the Earth, Neptune, surrounded by rings made of ice and rocks, Saturn. I am the coldest planet, Uranus, and the closest planet, Venus. Thank you.